Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Helium 10 for Walmart. We'll dive straight into adapting this powerful suite of tools for the Walmart marketplace. While Helium 10 is widely known for Amazon, its robust features, like keyword research and product validation, are incredibly valuable for Walmart sellers. You'll learn to leverage its data-driven insights to make informed decisions, helping you optimize your listings and boost your sales on one of the largest retail platforms. For keyword research, Helium 10's Magnet and Cerebro are indispensable. While primarily designed for Amazon, you can adapt them by focusing on broader terms and then refining for Walmart's unique search algorithm. Look for keywords with significant search volume and moderate competition. Aim to integrate at least 5 to 10 high-performing keywords naturally into your product titles and descriptions to maximize visibility and attract potential buyers. Product and listing optimization is crucial. Use Black Box to scout for products with high demand and lower competition on Walmart. When crafting your listings, focus on clear, concise language and highlight key benefits. Walmart's algorithm values detailed and accurate information. Aim for at least 7 high-quality images and a compelling product description of at least 200 words, incorporating your researched keywords to enhance searchability and customer engagement. Finally, competitor analysis and tracking are vital for sustained success. Leverage Helium 10's keyword tracker to monitor your product's ranking for crucial terms on Walmart. Use Market Tracker to keep an eye on overall market trends and competitor movements. Regularly review your top 5 to 10 competitors' pricing and listing strategies. This continuous monitoring allows you to adapt quickly, maintain a competitive edge, and capitalize on emerging opportunities within the dynamic Walmart marketplace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.